A very volatile day to start the week with 10-year Treasury futures, starting with the overnight session, seeing a sharp rally, nominal lows of 121.9 as new private education reforms were taken in China, leading to a broad risk-off mode in Asia, slipping around the world, but seeing like the Shanghai Composite down 2.5% and down year to date. So all that to say, there was a flight to quality, a heavy trading going into the wee hours on the pre-opening. As we got into the U.S. session, futures stabilized and really saw a reversal, trading around the flat line for most of the day. Part of the news was that 87% of the S&P 500 have reported earnings and have beaten for the second quarter. S&P 500 during the day did touch a record. Also, the US dollar, oil, basically flat. Looking at data, new home sales unexpectedly dropped to a 14-month low, although treasuries didn't really react to that. Dallas Fed number today, very sturdy. In the details, manufacturing outlook increased. General business activity slipped, although demand for goods remained strong and capital utilization continues to be sturdy, as it were. Lastly, we had the $60 billion two-year auction, which for most people seemed to be a proxy for liftoff timing, and given the FOMC on Wednesday, actually a very solid auction, $60 billion, 0.3 basis point stop, non-dealer bidding of only 74% versus 69.4 average. Again, traders were really wondering about that one, given the proximity to liftoff and FOMC messaging on Wednesday. Looking at the CME Group CVOL and options, etc., looking at the September curve based on a 1-month basis or even a 3-month basis, volatility is trading in about the 90th percentile. In September, both the up variance and down variance, or call and put variances, are up ever so slightly on the day, but they're up equally, implying the skew to be unchanged. At the money vol, actually unchanged as well. The biggest volume seen or observed in September, the 135 and 135 half call, also saw some meaningful volume in the 136 call. On the put side, the 132 half put was the volume leader, followed by the 133 put.